Hey everyone, this is Sticks. We're going to be going over the trades that I took today. Really just one trade. I have a swing trade in play at the moment. And of course I wasn't able to catch the bottom of the swing trade. So it's been dipping down a little bit. So you're going to see on the P&L that number is going to be in parentheses. It's going to be a negative number. And the number that I made money on is going to be obviously the positive number. And that's the trade that we're going to go over today. So this again was on SPY, the options chart. This was actually on the calls, believe it or not. Right as soon as the bell opened, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes into it is when I took the trade. Then right after that, of course, it just kind of started going down. Yeah, so I took 50 contracts at 47 cents. That's when I got my buy signal. 47 right here, and then it went up all the way up to 55. I didn't catch the top. I sold it when it was coming down. I didn't get out here. I really should have gotten out. It would have been more like a $400 move instead of a $200 move. But anyway, so just 4-cent scalp. This happened in like, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I think, something like that. Yeah. So this is the 5-minute window. We're going to look at the 5-minute chart here. And again, I got in at 47, a little bit late my entry, but that's okay. The signal came in here. So I went in as soon as the signal came in. Went up all the way up to 55, 54, 55, and then it went back down, and then I sold it right here at 51. Very fast trade, just a couple of minutes for 200 bucks. I got busy afterwards. I really should have switched on puts and really just rode those puts all the way down. As you can see, at 10:48, it wasn't even noon yet, and everything was worth $0. So that's why you see just the line like that across, because it was worth nothing. It was worth 0. Yeah. So if you would flip this and gotten to the puts, look at those puts. If you would have gone in at 5 cents, you would have been right here. Could have gone out at $2. What is that? Let's see what the percentage was, the return. So from 2, 5, wherever, here, all the way up to $2 here, that's 3,532%. That's sweet. That's really good. Anyway, at this point, premium was eaten alive by the theta. So that's the reason why it went down. That's the reason why the calls remained down. Because at that point, whoa, okay. Calls, there it is. Because at that point, they just weren't worth anything, and nobody was trading them at this right now. But yeah, that was my trade for the day. Very fast, very quick, very easy trade. Very textbook. Entry, or what's it called, the buy signal came in, took it, sell signal came in, and sold it. This is the P&L right here. Oh, and this is the SPY chart. Actually, I wanted to look at the 1 day. Yeah, no, that's not it. Let's see if I can make it bigger. Ignore the lines, those are just lines that I'm testing out. But yeah, so I don't know why it looks like this. It's horrible. It's for the price option expansion. Anyway, that might look a little better on the 1-minute chart. Yeah. So there it is. As you can see, lots of ways to make money, and then it just dipped. Look at that. It's insane. Look at that drop. All the way from 281.8 down to 276. That's insane. That is just crazy. And then right back up again to 280. Almost 280. 279.5. All right, that's it. Here's the P&L. Again, the 124, that's the swing that I'm doing. I For some reason lately I've been missing those bottoms. I thought I was going to miss the bottom and just ride it all the way to the top, but I missed it. I did go up and then it went right back down, so I'm just going to wait it out. This one really shouldn't have, it's not ready for like maybe another 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, so $200 is what I made today. The 76, that's basically when you subtract that from the 200. But yeah, so $200 is what I made today. Just a quick little fast trade, then I got busy. Again, follow me on the social medias. A lot of big things coming. I will post the link to the Discord channel in the description. Follow me on Twitch. Obviously, hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. That's it. Have a good one.